In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to tasks in Asana and boost teamwork effortlessly. This quick tutorial is designed to enhance your Asana experience by showing you how to easily bring your team on board for better project management. To get started, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Asana platform. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. A quick tip here, if you frequently use Asana, bookmark the URL for quicker access in the future. Now, within Asana, navigate to the specific task where you want to add a collaborator. It's essential to have the right task open because this is where the collaboration magic will happen. Next, direct your attention to the upper right part of the task window, where you'll see a button labeled Share. Click on this button. This action will open a dialog box, which is the gateway to adding collaborators. Now, with the dialog box open, you need to add the email address of the person you want to invite. It's important to ensure that the email address is correct to avoid any miscommunication. After entering the email, you'll see an invite button. Click on it. This action sends an invitation to the person, allowing them access to collaborate on the task. This simple step ensures that all relevant stakeholders can provide input and stay updated with any changes. Adding collaborators in Asana is beneficial for various reasons. Let's go over why this can significantly enhance your team's productivity. For starters, having shared visibility allows everyone involved to stay informed about updates, deadlines, and any changes to the task. When everyone is on the same page, communication improves significantly as comments and feedback are centralized in one location. This feature ensures that nothing gets lost in the shuffle of emails. Furthermore, by adding collaborators, you introduce a level of accountability as multiple stakeholders can monitor progress without overwhelming the individual assignee. Finally, making decisions becomes faster since real-time notifications reduce the need for back-and-forth emails. Here are some pro tips to help you use collaborators effectively. Consider adding stakeholders like managers or clients who need updates but aren't directly involved in task execution. Utilizing tags and sections alongside collaborators will provide additional context, making it easier for everyone to understand what's happening. Encourage your team to adjust their notification settings to avoid becoming overwhelmed. And if a particular task impacts multiple teams, use the multi-homing feature to add the task to more than one project, ensuring that all relevant parties can collaborate effectively. By following these steps and tips, you'll be able to leverage Asana's collaboration features to enhance teamwork and project management efficiency. So give it a try, and you may soon see the difference it makes in your workflow.